Woo, the rock shrimp.
Palate cleanser.
This is gonna be amazing.
That's your palate cleanser.
I've never had a rock shrimp pizza before. So in a way it looks very simple. Rock shrimp, cheese, scallions. The manchego is really cool though. I like that. Oh my god, I'm lost for words with this. Shrimp in a pizza. Who would have thought? It's amazing. What's up everyone? I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in my beautiful sunny hometown of Miami, Florida. Today I'm driving up north to the Design District to eat at Harry's Pizzeria, one of the best pizza places in the city. This hit pizzeria opened in 2011. They now have 3 locations and they really make some of the best pizzas in Miami. I mean, hands down, some of these pizzas have blown me away. The one I'm most excited about today is the braised short rib pizza, which was named one of the best pizzas in America by the Daily Meal. We're trying 5 pizzas. We're also trying some other dishes. Let's go up to Harry's Pizza in the Design District. I'm hungry. Let's do it.
Hi, I'm Jackie Sayet. This is Harry's Pizzeria in the Miami Design District, Michael Schwartz's casual pizza restaurant. We're becoming genuine pizza. We're expanding out of state. We're in Atlanta now, which is exciting for us. Here we do really fresh, amazing dough that we make in-house daily, and we fire it up in our wood-burning oven. Almost 11 pizzas that we do here. We have snacks, salads, and entrees, a variety of desserts like this really chewy, delicious, melty chocolate chunk cookie. So today we're going to be trying 4 pizzas. We have our delicious short rib pizza, which is made with Niman Ranch beef, which is humanely raised and really delicious as well. It's sustainable. And we serve it with some arugula on top. It has melty Gruyere cheese and caramelized onions. We're also trying our 4-cheese pizza, which has spinach in it. Our rock shrimp, which has grilled lemon and manchego cheese and it's finished with some scallions and cilantro. And our kale pizza, which is vegetarian, it's delicious. We have caramelized onions in there. There's a kale cream and a bunch of cheese. It's really amazing. We also are going to be sampling our Polenta Fries, which they're fried up really crispy and creamy. They have Parmesan cheese inside, and they're served with a spicy ketchup. We'll be trying our eggplant entree, which is really melty and has a really beautiful tomato sauce on it, some farro and feta cheese and gremolata, which is kind of like a parsley garlic crumble on top. It's delicious. And our new sandwich, we have a new line of sandwiches that we're introducing at all of the restaurants. We have five now. So this one is our chicken and pesto sandwich. It's served with melted mozzarella and freshly sliced tomato and a stack of really fresh arugula on it. It's beautiful. We make the focaccia that it's served on in-house, and it's baked off in the oven right before we make it. We're also trying our Escarole Caesar salad. We have these hearts of escarole lettuce, which is a little bit crispier and crunchier than your traditional softer leaf lettuce. It's tossed in a creamy Parmesan dressing and topped with garlic breadcrumbs, some anchovies, a little bit more Parmesan cheese just because you can't have enough, and a slice of lemon. So next time you find yourself in Miami, you really have to stop by and visit us. We have 4 locations here in South Florida. Genuine Pizza is in Aventura Mall now, and we have 3 Harry's Pizzerias, one in the Miami Design District where we are now, which is our original restaurant, and Coconut Grove just down south a bit, and downtown Dadeland. So you gotta come stop by, have a glass of sangria. Feel like it's summer all the time. We're here in Miami, so why not? Cheers.
Okay, so today we're trying 4 different pizzas, and the first one we have here is the Kale Pizza. Wow, this looks incredible. So the Kale Pizza has caramelized onions, chili flake, fontina cheese, and Parmesan cheese. Oh my god. So how do I start this? The caramelized onion just like is gonna take this to another level. Ooh, look at this. What? The kale and the caramelized onion together, amazing blend. No, it's so good. I'm like lost for words right now. Hold on. That fontina cheese. I like the mix. It's not too crispy. The bread's perfect. I love the crust as well. That's the best part about oven baked pizzas. Just the way pizza's baked is so different. Look at this pizza. So much kale. Alright, I might have to have a little more. I love it. So this is the vegetarian option. If you like kale, caramelized onions, and I think just the blend of cheeses is so good. I know, but it's hard. I mean, this caramelized onions though. Wow. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, I have to. I think I'm gonna have to leave the crust. Let's jump on the polenta. Okay, so right here we have the polenta fries. I love polenta. So if you guys don't know what polentas are, this is corn grits fried. There's Parmesan cheese inside, butter, and then we also have a spicy ketchup. Ooh, maybe I overdid it there. It's amazing. One of my favorite things from the South are grits, and I'm Italian, so polenta all day. This is so good. The only problem here is that I have a lot of food to eat, and I have like 6 of these. All right, a little more. This is so fire. The ketchup is a little spicy. What do you guys put in it? Jalapeno, okay. So a little kick, not too bad. See, if you put habanero, you'd like die. I love it. Dude, I love this.
Cheers to pizza and sangria. You always have to take a sip after you toast. Or 2. Good, right?
Really good. Yeah, that's more sangria. Okay, so here we have their chicken pesto sandwich. It has melted mozzarella, fresh tomato, and arugula. Man, this thing's a monster. Look at this. Oh man, it's like just coming out. The amount of pesto in there is incredible. Wow. The cheese with the focaccia. This is so good. I'm in love with it.
My favorite.
This is like my new favorite sandwich. It's a very well balanced sandwich. I really like how the tomato, the pesto, the cheese is really like, it's melted like incredibly, and it's so much cheese in there. Look at that. I really love this sandwich. I mean, it just, I would take off a piece of bread just because it's too much, but it's so good. I'm just gonna have to have one more bite. Just, I just want it. Yeah, let go of my sandwich. This is the best part. Look at that. Focaccia with pesto. Oh, it's all you. Woo, the rock shrimp. This is gonna be amazing.
That's your palate cleanser.
I've never had a rock shrimp pizza before. And then there's scallions on top. There's some amazing cheese. Let me see, what do we have here? So it's rock shrimp with roasted lemon, manchego cheese, scallion, cilantro. Wow. Besides the short rib pizza, this was the one I'm most excited about. Woo. So where do I grab it from? Maybe here. So in a way it looks very simple. Rock shrimp, cheese, scallions. The manchego is really cool though. I like that. Oh my god, I'm lost for words with this. Yeah. I like that you guys put the scallions there though. A shrimp in a pizza. Who would have thought? It's amazing.
Yeah,
like it's really, yeah, the lemon. It's a nice combination of flavors. It really feels like the Mediterranean right here. The manchego cheese though. It's like my new favorite pizza. For real. This is so good. The balance of flavors. No, the shrimp is amazing. I don't know. I feel like I should have another one.
Yeah, you should.
I should, right? At least another bite, another nice bite. Look at this pizza. I mean, for me, it transports me to Spain. I mean, it's the most common cheese in Spain. Thank you.
Speak of the devil.
I have my director back here. You know, what goes more hand in hand? Manchego with sangria in Spain? Well, this should be like on the list of top pizzas to try in Miami, for sure. I love it, but. So here we have the Escarole Caesar. It has lemon, anchovy, parmesan, garlic crumbs, and voila. It's a perfect combination with the rock shrimp pizza. This is actually one of my favorite salads ever. Caesar salad with anchovies. I'm not eating too much of it, but I'm just gonna have a few bites. And yeah, right there, oh, look at that. Parmesan with breadcrumbs, anchovies. Feels like a very refreshing salad, nice crunch. Oh, the breadcrumbs, delicious. Very nice and salty, mixed with the Parmesan. Yeah, I'm having one more bite. Just needed to like cleanse my palate a little bit before the next pizza. That's it, right? Oh no, we have eggplant too? Oh my god. So this is the 4 cheese with spinach pizza?
Yeah, so it has ricotta.
Oh, that's the best cheese. So here we have the 4 cheese and spinach. We have ricotta, fontina, parmesan, and what's the 4th?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella? Oh my god, this is gonna be so good. I'm gonna get the one with the most ricotta.
This one's my favorite though.
That one was so good. So I got like a half a pizza right here with this one. Holy smokes, the mix of flavors here. Oh, the ricotta. Yeah, that's the best part about it, is that there's no like overpowering cheese here. I mean, I just love how ricotta is just so soft. It's like, it just literally like came out of a sheet, like straight up. That's how it feels. No, it's good that you didn't put any blue cheese or anything.
Yeah, we have
I mean, the ricotta is so fluffy and soft. This is an awesome pizza, bro. Good job with this. Like, a really good job. The rock shrimp's still my favorite though.
Yeah.
The good thing is that all the pizzas are like, they're very thin, so you don't get so full. Because if I eat like 5 slices of a, you know, monster pizza, then it's like, I'm just like done.
We also have a gluten-free crust.
So right here we have the roasted eggplant. It comes with stewed tomatoes, parsley, lemon, and feta. A very Mediterranean twist on a dish. So this is an entree. Feta cheese is one of my favorites. Feels like I teleported to Athens. Like, for real, this is exactly like a typical Greek dish. Eggplants, feta, so it's farro on top. They have farro a lot in Italy too. Oh, I love the eggplant. It's like cooked to perfection. You know what I would put on this is like a little bit of honey. I think she did though. It's marinated honey? Okay, perfect. So there is honey already in here.
Yeah, that's right, because we shot it.
This is amazing. There's nothing more Mediterranean than farro, eggplant, and feta cheese. Yeah, so the best thing to do is come here with a group of friends, get a few different pizzas, a few different appetizers, entrees, and try everything. Besides the rock shrimp pizza, this is my second favorite right now.
It's delicious.
Alright, that's enough. I almost finished the whole plate.
Yeah.
So here we have the star of the day, short rib pizza. Wow. This is named one of the best pizzas in America by the Daily Mail. Daily Mail. Am I thinking like Superman here? What are you doing? Let go of my pizza. Short rib pizza comes with Gruyere cheese, caramelized onion, and topped with arugula. Still really hot. I'm trying to find the piece with the most short rib. Wow. The short rib just fell apart in my mouth. Oh my god, the Gruyere cheese. It's like the perfect marriage right there. Alright, I wish I left room so I could have like 2 or 3 slices, but I'm gonna have to just enjoy this one slice. It's so amazing, and the caramelized onion on top. Cheers.
Cheers to that.
Wow. This is just so good.
It's so good.
No, this is outstanding. I'm out, I'm done. So I guess I'll give you my top list. Favorite pizzas were the rock shrimp and this one. They both have so many unique flavors. I also like the 4 cheese with spinach just because the blend of cheeses is so, like, it's just like amazing effect on your palate. So good. Polenta with the spicy ketchup. Wow. I mean, if you like grits, you're gonna love that. The eggplant with the feta cheese is outstanding. I mean, a really nice, you know, I guess like very vegetarian dish. If you're vegetarian or vegan, that's for you. As well as the kale pizza. So next time you're in Miami, head over to Harry's Pizzeria in the Design District. They also have a location in Grove and in Downtown Dadeland. And they started a new concept, Genuine Pizza. They have one in Aventura and they're expanding into Atlanta right now. And they're gonna open a lot more soon. So if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Jackie, take it away like I can.